Come along and I'll show you how I transformed this 80s cabinet. I used 80 grit sandpaper to smooth out the raised flowers. After wiping all of the dust off, I used Bondo to fill in the many nicks and dings in this fine cabinet. We installed some nice hairpin legs. It was then time to prime, and I chose to use the Wise Owl primer. I base coated the drawers with mint chip, as I wasn't sure in what direction I was going to take. I refreshed the inside of the drawers with the Wise Owl salve. It was time to decide where I was going to be putting this beautiful decoupage paper called Good Mother, and it's by Jackie Stridham of The Painted Pinto, and I'll leave a link below to her website. I finally decided to put part of the paper on the front with a little bit on the side. Now it was time to paint. I blended on the cabinet, on the decoupage paper, added lots of details. Unfortunately, I didn't record all of the painting that I did, but it was many hours. And most of the paint that I used was DIY paint with a few acrylics. Once I was happy with the blending, I moved on to the drawers as I figured out which direction I wanted to take, which was a boho ombre look. I used many colors: bohemian blue, hay sailor, carnival red, summer crush, cake batter, and a mix of fire starter and liquid sunshine. I then decided to dry brush with bohemian blue on the drawers just to make them look worn. I applied a transfer by IOD to one of the drawers. On the side of the cabinet that did not have a decoupage paper, I decided to go with the ombre look, and I added another IOD transfer. This is a sideways view of that side once it was sealed. On the other side of the cabinet with the piece of decoupage paper, it was time to do lots of blending once again. I added more IOD transfers to the insides of the cabinet doors. To seal the entire piece, I use the Minwax polyacrylic sealer. Thank you for watching.